Hello, welcome. In this video, we will see how to install Turbo C++ in our computer. So for that, open Google Chrome web browser. Then in the Google search box, type Turbo C download. After that, you can see there is a link Turbo C++ official website. Open this link in new tab. Now scroll down and you will see here one download link. So click on this link. After that, you will see that our download is started. I have already downloaded this file, so I will stop this download and I will directly go to folder where I have downloaded this. After downloading the file, you will get a zip file like this. Then right click on this file and select extract all. After clicking on extract all, you will see that one more folder will be created in your folder, that is Turbo C 3.2 for Windows. Now open this folder, again open this folder, and here you will see one setup file. So double click on this file and your installation process will start. Now click on next, then select this checkbox, I accept the terms in the license agreement. Then select next. Then click on install. Yes. Now our installation process has started and here you can see that our software has successfully installed. Now click on this finish. Now this will automatically start the Turbo C++ software. Now click on this Start Turbo C++. Click on this arrow. So this is how we install Turbo C++ in our computer. Now as we have successfully installed this, now let us write a very small or basic program in C language. So for that, click on this file menu, then click on new, maximize it, and now we write a very small program, hash include stdio.h, hash include on io.h, then void main function, opening bracket. We will print a welcome message on the screen. So for that, we will use printf function, double inverted comma, slash n. Slash n means our output, our message will be shown on new line. Welcome to world of programming. So this is a very simple message. So in this way, we have written a very small and basic program in C language. Now save this file by clicking on File menu and then click on Save. Now here you have to give some name to the file. I will give name p1.c. Now after writing the name of the file, it is compulsory that you should write .c. .c extension means that our file is a C program. So it is compulsory to write .c in your file name. Now click on this OK, click on yes, and now we will compile this file. So for compiling, click on compile menu and compile. So you can see there is success message. It means that there is no error in our program. So now we will run this file, click on run and run. So this is the output of our program. So in this way, we have successfully installed Turbo C, and we have also created a very small program in Turbo C. Thank you. So like, if you want to learn more such programming videos, then please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.